Aloha everybody! I am going to make some delicious potato leek soup using these ingredients. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this onion. I have this new tripod that I got to try, so hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. I'm just going to heat up this onion. Pop that right in the pan to saute, get some nice flavors. I'm just gonna get the oil. Okay, so I'm just gonna take these onions and put them right on in. Just wanna crush. I'm going to put 4 cloves in because I do love garlic. And as always, we put the garlic in after the onions are just about done because the garlic takes a lot less time to cook. I'm just going to put those pieces of garlic in. This onion is a little bit browned. It's about time for that garlic. This is an organic carrot just from down the road, so I'm not concerned about taking the skin off. The skin actually has some nice nutrients. The gut is actually pretty much like the brain of a dog or a cat, and so, you know, if our gut is out of whack, think about what something that has that many connections in it that's out of whack will do to the whole body system with regards to our emotions, you know, our joy, our frustration, our depression, all of those things really can be boiled down to, a lot of the time, diet and what we eat. So it's really important to be eating, you know, locally grown, fresh, you know, organic vegetables, all of those things, just to build that gut biome up in order to build our immune system. Give these a little mix. That smells really good. And I'm gonna put these carrots right in there. Give those a little saute as well, just to get a little of that flavor in there before I put it in the pot to make the soup. I'm gonna start cutting these beautiful potatoes. Notice I'm not going to take the skin off for my soup because, again, these are organic, locally grown potatoes, and I do want a lot of that kind of microscopic residue, you know, that's from the soil here, from that organic soil, you know, helping to build up my immune system, helping to build up my gut biome. So I'm going to leave those skins on. It's all going to be ground up in the soup anyway. And there are a lot of nutrients in the skin of a potato. So, you know, when we peel it and only eat the inside, we're kind of cheating ourselves out of this, the nutrients in this beautiful skin. I really like this knife, actually. My stepmother got me these knives when she came to visit 2 summers ago. Didn't really have much to use in the kitchen. As you know, I've said in the past, a lot of my pots and pans and things have come from just people leaving them by the elevator, including the little pan that I'm using right now. That one was also found by the elevator. So I'm just going to give this a stir, and then I'm going to add those potatoes to this pot. Those carrots are getting some nice crispy kind of browned edges. That'll add some nice depth of flavor to my soup. Add these in to do the same. Just a little bit of browning on the edges, and then we're just going to put them in the pot. And now I'm just going to fill my pot with a little bit of water for the soup. Probably good. About there. You can see it's not totally full. And I'll probably add some more, but I just want to get this heated up on the stove. And I just want to show you how good this looks. The potatoes have a little bit of browning going on, which will add a really nice flavor to the soup. So now the water is a little bit heated up, so I'm just going to put this mixture right in the pot with the water. Excited to have these. They might last a long time in the fridge too. So just add these leeks right in there. I thought I'd actually add this broccoli in as well, because that'll add some nice density to it as well, I think. And I want it small enough because I'm just going to be putting it in the blender. Whoop. That's what it looks like. Just give that a little mix. And we're just going to cut up the rest of this cilantro that I got. That'll add some nice flavor to it. I'll just put that right in the pot with the broccoli. And my birthday is October 30th, so it's kind of like this is my witch's cauldron. Apparently I have one that my aunt gave me from the Middle East, from my uncle's time in Saudi Arabia, and some giant cast iron cauldron, which when I go back this summer to visit my mom, I'm super excited to get and bring back so I can make some beautiful witchery to share with all of you in my perfectly fantastic cauldron. And I'm just gonna cut this jalapeno just to add into the soup, just to give it a little bit of spice. Soup. And then we always remember to wash our hands with soap after we have been cutting onion or jalapeno, and I've been cutting both. A lot of soap. We like to conserve that water when we're washing our hands. Get all that oil from those jalapenos right off your hands. Rinse it right off. Certainly don't want to accidentally touch your face or your eye after you've been cutting jalapeno or onion. And I'm just going to add some cashews right in here to kind of add a little bit of creaminess to the soup. So now I'm going to scoop the soup right into my blender. We're just going to blend it up and see what happens. This is a spoon I got when I was in Thailand. It's made out of a coconut shell. Okay. Perfect. Another treasure that I found by the elevator. Look at that. So here we have it. This delicious potato leek soup that we're going to give a try. Right over here to the table. Hi, Nala. Okay, we have this delightful potato leek cream of broccoli soup. Good stuff. Let me know if you can think of anything that you want me to try making, and I will give it a try. And as always, have a wonderful night, and thanks for watching. Bye.